This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Casa Dream Florida. Welcome to Epperson Ranch, featuring the Crystal Lagoon Resort Lifestyle, where every day can feel like you're on vacation. This stunning one-story open-concept home offers 4 rooms, 3 bathrooms, laundry, 2-car garage and a covered lanai, perfect for enjoying the cool Florida evenings. The home features a large kitchen that opens to dinette and great room, making for a fantastic entertainment open space. The kitchen has a large granite island, dual sinks, large pantry, plenty of counter space, and beautiful cabinet storage. Walking distance to the lagoon. This golf cart friendly community features cart pathways to the whole community, lagoon, tot lots, and dog parks. This home is a short walk away from the nation's first 7.5 acres Crystal Lagoon, which offers sandy beaches, cabanas, a swim-up bar, and lots of activities such as paddle boarding, kayaking, an obstacle course plus music events, something for everyone. It also features ultra-fi high-speed internet along with solar streetlights. Epperson Ranch is close to Tampa Outlet Mall, Wiregrass Mall, restaurants, center Ice Rink, several sporting facilities and so much more. The area also features the sought-after Innovation Preparatory Academy and the Kirkland Ranch Academy of Innovation School. Epperson is also near to I-75, I-265 with access to downtown Tampa, Tampa International Airport, local hospitals including VA hospitals, beautiful beaches, and quick jump to Orlando. This home has it all. Come live the fun life in this dream community. For more information, review the details below.